students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna learn possessive adjectives. So before we start the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Now we have possessive adjectives here. My is used for I, his is used for he, her is used for she, it is used for it, there is used for they, are is used for we, and your is used for you. Alright, we have few examples according to this. First one is I play tennis. This is blank racket. Now the key is here. I will take my. So I play tennis. This is my racket. Next one. You are very good at singing. You are very good at singing. What is blank favorite song? Now the key is here. You take your, and you take you. So we will write here what is your favorite song. Next one. He is from Paris. Max is blank name. He takes his. So he is from Paris. Max is his name. Next one. She drives her car to the work. Blank car is black. She takes her. Her car is black. Next one. It is a cat. Blank main color is white. It will take its. So the answer will be its main color is white. Next one. We like our house a lot. Blank house is big. We take our. So we will write R here. Our house is big. Next one. They run every morning. Blank day starts with a long run. They take their. So we will write their here. Thank you so much for watching this video.